My topic is Basidiomycetes. The given picture shows basidiospores with a basidium in the gills of an agaricus fungi. General characters. The fungi comprising the phylum Basidiomycota commonly are known as Basidiomycetes. It is a large phylum that includes forms commonly known as mushrooms, bolides, puffballs, earthstarts, stinghorns, bird's nest fungi, jelly fungi, bracket or shelf fungi, and rust and smut fungi. They produce their sexual spores known as basidiospores. Basidiospores are produced outside of a specialized microscopic spore producing structure called basidium. Basidiospores are most species are known as ballistospores, which are discharged from the basidium forcibly. As a result of karyogamy, plasmogamy, and meiosis, four basidium spores are produced in each basidium. The basidiospores are haploid and may be uninucleate or binucleate. At maturity, extensively dikaryote phase occurs. Mycelium of most heterothallic basidiomycete passes through three distinct stages of development before it completes its life cycle. A dolichopore septum is present between two hyphal cells which regulate the flow of particles across the cells. There is also the presence of clamp connection between two hyphal cells that ensures the dikaryotic condition in each new cell of secondary mycelium. Mycelium are three types: primary mycelium, secondary mycelium, tertiary mycelium. Primary mycelium. It develops from germinating basidiospores. These may be uninucleate or multinucleate, but always homokaryotic. Secondary mycelium. It is produced from primary mycelium. It is dikaryotic and heterokaryotic. Tertiary mycelium. It contains specialized tissues that produce a basidiocarp. On basidiocarp, basidia are produced that bear basidiospores. Occurrence. Most freshwater basidiomycetes occur as a anamorph stage with prolific conidial production on leaf material, ensuring wide dispersal and their entrapment onto suitable substrata. Biogeographically, marine basidiomycetes are either restricted to temperate cold water zones, for example, Lignicola. Freshwater basidiomycetes have been isolated from foam samples Johnson Slough 1966 and from senescent decaying leaf litter Navavi et al. 1977a 1977b, Marvanova and Stalpers 1987, Navavi and Kutumbuddin 1988, while Stariella aquatica was recovered from test blocks of Dipterocarpus alatus submerged for 9 months in a stream in Khao Yai National Park, Thailand. Sivichai and Jones 2004. In a study of fungal colonization of senescent palms submerged in a peat swamp at Naradi, Thailand, only Ingoldiella hamata was recovered, although other basidiomycetes did occur on fronts in ground contact. Distribution. An overview is provided of the biodiversity, taxonomic classification, and geographic distribution of basidiomycetes isolated from white rot in Esca-affected grapevine all over the world. A total of 10 species have been recovered, all belonging to the Hymenocetales and 5 of them of uncertain identity. Identified taxa including Formicifolia mediterranea, Europe, Asia; Formicifolia polymorpha, North America; Formicifolia australiensis, Australia; and Phenophrygis jamaicenus, South America. One species not yet formally described is Formiciforella victis, South America. Uncertain taxa occur in Australia and South Africa. Existence of the obligate parasites. Such parasites cannot be grown upon dead organic culture media. Example is Puxinin. Reproduction. The reproduction are two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Basidiomycota reproduce asexually by either budding or asexual spore formation. Budding occurs when an outgrowth of a parent cell is separated into a new cell. Any cell in the organism can bud. Asexual spore formation, however, most often takes place at the ends of specialized structures called conidiophores. The septae of terminal cells become fully defined, dividing a random number of terminal cell nuclei into individual cells. The cells walls then thicken into a protective coat. The protected spores break off and are dispersed. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is Basidiomycota takes place in the fruiting body in specialized structures called basidia. The basidia is itself formed by plasmogamy between mycelia from two different spores. Plasmogamy results in binucleate hyphae, that is hyphae with two types of nuclei, one from each parent. In the gills of the fruiting body, some cells undergo fusion of these two nuclei. These now diploid cells are basidia. The diploid phase is very brief. Soon after fusion, meiosis takes place, resulting in four haploid nuclei. The nuclei then migrate to the terminus of the basidium and form four individual projections. These projections are then separated by cell walls to become spores. In this picture shows sexual reproduction in the Basidiomycota and the orange jelly, bird's nest fungus. These are the examples for fungus, shelf fungus, fly agaris, etc. Thank you.